Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to enable parental control pin on Play Store. Let's get started. First, open Play Store app. Now tap on the picture. Tap on Settings. Now tap on Family. Tap on Parental Controls. Now click here. Create a pin. Retype the pin. Now go back. Done. By this process, you can easily enable parental control pin on Google Play Store. Thanks for watching.